So I'll use the letters A, B, and S to represent the time that these three people spent on a certain project. We're told that the average amount of time that the three people spent was 15 hours per person. So average times the number, 15 times 3, that would be the total amount of hours that they spent. So the first condition is A plus B plus C is 45, and these are the times spent by these three individuals. Question is, what's the median? So start with statement 1 says the time spent by Anne and Beth together was 30 hours. So if I replace that here, that from this equation, I know S is 15. And these two add up to 30, and I'm going to relate it to 15, meaning these two values could be 15 plus X or 15 minus X. X is some number. And that means that if 15 is Steve and the two other values are 15 minus X and 15 plus X, assuming X is a positive number, then 15 will always be the middle value, or 15 will be the median. So it doesn't matter what actually X is. X could be negative also. In that case, 15 plus X would be lower than 15 minus X. But the point is the middle value will always be 15. So 1 alone is sufficient. If we look at 2, says Steve spent 15 hours. So we can still use that original equation, and that would give me that A plus B is 30, which is exactly what we have in statement 1. And we can again use the same logic to show that the median will always be 15, no matter how these two are split. If you don't like this way of thinking, you can think of different numbers, 2 and 28, 15 and 15, 17 and 13. You'll always see the median will be 15. So 2 alone is also sufficient. Answer is D.